Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
Assalamu alaikum. If you face Windows cannot install required files 0x800705701 error, then don't worry. You can fix this error. To fix this error, you can use three methods. Number one, recreate bootable USB. Second one is replace USB. And third method is remove faulty hard drive. Now come to the first method, recreate bootable USB. But firstly, kindly subscribe on Video's YouTube channel. It may happen that Windows installation files are corrupted. So create again bootable Windows USB by using Windows Media Creation tool. So download again fresh Windows 10 or 11 ISO by using Windows Media Creation tool and create bootable Windows USB drive for Windows installation. Now come towards the second method to fix error, and this method is to replace USB. Maybe your USB drive itself is damaged due to any reason. So replace it and try other proper working USB. Third method is to remove faulty hard drive. Due to faulty hard drive, this error may occur. Try to check hard drive on other proper working PC or to secondary connection if two hard drive can be connected in the same PC with by using 0x800705701 utility.
Press Shift key plus F10 key to open command prompt during Windows setup. Now type chhkdsc:/r/f and press enter. Here replace C with the drive letter where you want to install Windows accordingly. For example, if you want to install Windows on D drive, then you use chhkdsc:/r/f. Inshallah, problem will be solved successfully if these are the causes mentioned in this video due to which such error occurred. If you like this video, then please subscribe on Video's YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.